Hello students. I will discuss about the books and notebooks. Students, you have to purchase biology book. Biology book name is A Simple Study of Biology. The writer name is Beerwala Rastogi. Student, this book is published by Srijan Publisher. So in this book there are six chapters. Chapter number first, life process. Chapter number second, control coordination. Third chapter name, how do organisms reproduce. Fourth chapter name, heredity and variation. And fifth chapter name are environment. And sixth chapter name is management of natural resources. So students, in whole year, in session 2021 and 22, you have to study these six chapters of biology. Students, for notes and exercise, you have to prepare a notebook. Students, this notebook should be A4 sized, two-sided notebook like this way. Student, nobody purchase वन साइडेड पेज कॉपी. कोई भी वन साइडेड नोटबुक नहीं परचेज करेगा क्योंकि उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द पेजेस रिमेन ब्लैंक एंड देयर इज़ नो यूज़ ऑफ दीज पेजेस. सो फॉर biology you have to purchase two-sided one line A4 size notebook. Students, after purchasing these books, you have to cover with cellophane cover or brown cover page. Students, after covering, you have to write the biodata on first page. In biodata, you have to mention the following things: name of students, class, admission number, roll number, school, subject, teacher's name, and mobile number. These things you have to mention in biodata. Student, in next page, you have to prepare a index. Student, in index there are 4 columns. You have to prepare number 1 serial number second column name, chapter's name, and next date and teacher sign. So in this way you have to prepare an index. Now in next page you have to write about the introduction of biology. Student, I explain the introduction of biology. Biology term derived from two Greek words, bio plus logos. Bio means living things, logos means to study. So it means that the study of living thing is called biology. लिविंग थिंग्स की स्टडी करना ही बायोलॉजी कहलाता है. स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम आस्किंग हेयर, हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी. बायोलॉजी के फादर किसे कहा जाता है? तो बेटा स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी सिंपल आंसर, अरस्तु इज़ नोन एज इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी. Next is student branches of biology. Biology has two main branches, zoology and botany. Zoology and botany are the two main branches of biology. First is zoology. Zoology स्टूडेंट, द स्टडी ऑफ एनिमल्स इज कॉल्ड जूलॉजी। एनिमल्स की स्टडी करना ही जूलॉजी कहलाता है। जू मीन्स होता है स्टूडेंट एनिमल्स, लॉगस वर्ड मीन होता है स्टडी, तो स्टडी ऑफ एनिमल्स इज कॉल्ड जूलॉजी। अरस्तु इज़ द फादर ऑफ जूलॉजी। अरस्तु को जूलॉजी का फादर माना गया है। नेक्स्ट है बॉटनी। बॉटनी, द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट इज कॉल्ड बॉटनी। प्लांट की स्टडी करना ही बॉटनी कहलाता है। थियोफ्रास्टस द फादर ऑफ बॉटनी, और थियोफ्रास्टस को बॉटनी का फादर भी माना गया है। तो दिस इज़ द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी। स्टूडेंट, बायोलॉजी इज़ द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस। इन क्लास 10th, biology subject is not separated, but this is the part of the science. So you have to prepare 3 copy for science, 1 for physics, 1 for chemistry, 1 for biology. Student, as soon as possible you have to purchase these books and this books and copy. Now next student, third thing, lab manual of science you have to purchase. Science lab manual is very important part of the science subject, because CBSE assesses the subject enrichment activity within 5 marks in internal assessment. So 5 marks is very necessary for increasing the score of your board examination. So you have to purchase the lab manual, and in science subject practicals are very important part of the study. So you have to purchase the lab manual also. Lab manual, publisher name is Lakshmi Publication. I will share a logo of first page of lab manual. You will see and purchase this lab manual also.